Hamilton Beach Iron Review Action. What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. I'm back at it again. I've been on a hiatus for about 6, 7 weeks to be exact, and I vow to consistently post on YouTube going forward. And what I'm gonna need from you guys is to continue to like, continue to comment, and most certainly continue to support the channel by subscribing to the channel, sharing it with your friends so they can actually get to view my content. Going forward, I'm gonna be reviewing some new products, and also there's some older products that I purchased that have gone awry or have broken or have issues or are still performing well. So I'll do a review of those as well, probably years later, months later, however long it is that I've purchased these particular products, and we'll go from there. But today's review video is practically centered around this product I just purchased not too long ago. It's a Hamilton Beach retractable cord iron. And today we're going to showcase that. I'm going to show you exactly the good things about it, how great it is. I had an iron before, was falling apart, and unfortunately I didn't get a chance to post that in the videos in the past, do any reviews of that in the videos in the past. That's what I meant to say. Tongue tied there, sorry. But I'm gonna do a full review of this and the unboxing also, so you guys get to see exactly what's inside the box, what comes with it, and how good this is as well. So I'm gonna iron some stuff, and the link for this will be in the description below as well if you're interested in getting yourself one as well. All right, guys, so let's get into the video further. Let's go. All right, guys, this is practically the iron in a nutshell. I took it out the box. There's really not much in it in the box. It's all empty now, but silica gel stuff and remaining remnants of boxes that are in there. The model number for this is actually 14290F. That's the model number for this Hamilton Beach retractable cord iron. And that's what they mean by retractable cord. It's the cord gets to retract back into itself. Ooh, I almost got myself there. So be careful when you're doing this so it doesn't hurt you in any way, shape, or form. So the cord retracts back into it like so, and that's that in a nutshell. That's one of the features that made me buy it. And the second feature is the self-cleaning feature that this has. It also has a 5-year limited warranty as well. And I'm gonna be putting it to use in a little bit so you guys get to see exactly how good it works. So that's that as far as the warranty is concerned. So let's get rid of this box. And I've already loaded it up with water. So in order to load it up with water, you just open this tab here and you use a trusty little tool such as this to pour water into the hole there, and it'll begin to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into my outlet, get it hot and running. So that's that in a nutshell. You pretty much pull the cord out, plug it into my outlet, and I'm gonna let it simmer for a little while and pull out some stuff to iron. And for the record, the ironing board will be in the description. Will be linked in the description below, along with this iron as well. Both of them will be in the description below. If you're interested in getting yourself one, the description below is probably your best bet there. So in a few minutes or so, in a minute or so here, this will be steaming hot, and I'll be able to iron this pillowcase that I'm trying to iron right now. So just to showcase it to you guys, give you guys a proper view. So as you can see, steam is already coming out of it. It's red hot. And if you want to self-clean it, you just push this button here and more steam comes out, and it automatically self-cleans itself the more you push this button. So that's how you go about it. in a nutshell. So that's pretty much the ironing you need to do as far as that is concerned. Here we go. And look at how straight and narrow that pillowcase is getting. And now if you have some starch, you can incorporate some starch into it, make it super strong, strengthen it, make it very nice. But for me, I don't think this pillowcase requires that, as just a demo for you guys. So I'm just gonna iron this all the way through. Here we go. And I'm gonna see if I can find you guys an ironing board with iron stand in the side of it. This one is pretty much it's pretty much hard to get rid of because it has sentimental value. So I'll get you something in the link below that has an iron stand on the side of it. So if you're looking to check that out, feel free to do so. And there'll be a link in the description below. So that is coming along just great. Pillowcase is getting straighter and straighter by the minute. There we go. There we go. And it also has a steam button where you can use some stuff, shoot some steam from the bottom there. And it also has a sprayer feature as well, where you could spray. You could spray there. So I'm actually gonna do the other side and get everything straightened out perfectly. And in order to do so, I'll spray some water onto this side. Get rid of all the wrinkles, because water is the source of wrinkle removal, if you didn't know. And that's pretty much the video in a nutshell. I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well. If you're looking for one of that magnitude or iron of that magnitude, the link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the other one. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.